Hello everyone, how are you? How is going? I hope everyone will be fine and happy at home. Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about summarize for grade 2, A, B and C. Okay, now let's start it. As you know guys, unit 9 we have some of words. We have a letter M, capital M small. Let me give you an example for it. Monkey, mouse. And we have N capital, N small, nose, neck, nut. I'm gonna read it one more time guys, you have to repeat it after me. M capital, M small, monkey, mouse. N capital, N small, nose, neck, nut. Okay, this is unit 9, the letter and the vocabulary. Let's go to the next slide. Okay guys, do you remember we have a word, I ask you guys, let's put these words into the sentence. Now we're gonna use that word to be put in a sentence. Now put these words into the sentence. We have monkey. I see a big monkey. I'm gonna draw myself and a big monkey. Next sentence, I like nuts. I'm gonna draw myself and with nuts. I have a gray mouse. This is me and gray mouse. What are you gonna do the mouse? Eating cheese. I have one nose. Okay, I will read it one more time guys. You have to read it after me. Okay, I see a big monkey. I like nuts. I have a gray mouse. I have one nose. Okay, let's go to next. Now this one, unit 10. We have another two letter in unit 10. O capital, O small, olive, orange. O capital, O small, olive, orange. P capital, P small, parrot, pot, pen. I'm going to read it one more time for you guys. You have to, when you watch it, repeat it after me please. Now, O capital, O small, olive, orange. P capital, P small, parrot, pot, pen. Okay, now let's put these words into this sentence. How are we gonna put in a sentence? Let me read it for you guys. I like green olives. This is me. I like green olives. I see a small orange. What do I see? A small orange. I have a blue parrot. I have a red pen. I'm going to read it one more time guys. You have to repeat it after me. I like green olives. I see small oranges. Orange. I have a blue parrot. I have a red pen. Okay, let's go to next. This one is unit 11 guys. We have Q capital, Q small. What is this? We have another two letters. What are these letters? This one's Q capital, Q small. Q capital, Q small. Now, let me read it for you. We have words and pictures. You have guys repeat it after me, okay? Quickly, quickly. Quiet, queen. Quickly, quiet, queen. We have R capital, R small. Ruler. Rabbit. I'm gonna read it one more time for you guys. You have to repeat it after me. Q capital, Q small. Quickly, quiet, queen. R capital, R small. Ruler, rabbit. Now, let's put these words into this sentence. Let me see. How are we gonna put it? Guys, I always told you have to use I like, I have, I see. We're gonna use these words to put in a sentence. Now, I see a queen. This is me and I see a queen. I have a rabbit. What do I have? Rabbit. I like yellow rulers. What do I like? Yellow rulers. Be quiet. Now, I'm going to read it one more time, guys. When you watch it, you have to repeat it after me. I see a queen. I have a rabbit. I like yellow rulers. Be quiet. Okay, now let's go to the next. Unit 12, we have another two letters. S capital, S small. I'm going to read it, the word with it. Spider. Sock. Sam. T capital, T small. Top. Tiger. One more time. S capital, S small. Spider. Sock. Sam. T capital, T small. Top. Tiger. Okay, guys, now let's put these words into the sentence. I see a small spider. I have green and yellow socks. I see Sam. I like big tigers. Okay, guys, now we talk about the words and the sentence. Now I prepared worksheets for you. You have to do it, and when we come back to the school, I will check it, okay? Now I'm going to show you the worksheets. You have to do it at home. Okay, guys, now I will show you the worksheet. You have to do it at home. Guys, you have to repeat the sentence and read the sentence. After that, you have to draw a picture, okay? Draw for each sentence. I'm going to read it for you. You're going to draw it at home. I see a big monkey. You're going to draw yourself and a big monkey. I like nuts. You're going to draw yourself and nuts. I have a gray mouse. Yourself with the mouse. I have one nose. You will draw yourself and you point your nose. This is the first worksheet. Next. I like green olives. You draw yourself and with green olives. Guys, be careful of the color, please, okay? Don't color whatever you want. You have to color what I said. Next, I see a small oranges. I have a blue parrot. You will draw yourself with the blue parrots. What color is it? Blue, guys. Don't color another things, okay? Blue. I have a red pen. Now, next. I see a queen. You will draw yourself with queen. I have a rabbit. Yourself again having a rabbit. Lovely rabbit. I like yellow rulers. Okay. Draw yourself with ruler. What color is the ruler? Yellow. Be quiet. You're gonna draw yourself in here with someone when you ask him or her to be quiet. Next. This one is the last worksheet. I see a small spider. You draw yourself. You will draw yourself to see the small spider. I have green and yellow socks. As I said, how you gonna draw it? I see Sam. I like big tigers. This is the end, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do your worksheets. Okay, have a nice holiday. See you inshallah soon. Bye bye.